also here.
Yeah.
So
Yes, he's here. Let's continue for the fireworks. We are quietly.
we got like first front row seats, guys. Front row seats.
Yeah.
Can't be any closer than this.
Just started.
Yeah, just started. This is gonna last for like few minutes.
Yeah.
So, guys, I know we already added a video about Chinese New Year special, Chinese New Year fun, but this is another Chinese New Year fun for fireworks.
Ultra fireworks.
Ultra fireworks.
I think there are 100 fire in this. Boom, boom. Oh my god. This is like fire.
This is really
Cool, yeah.
You only get this Chinese New Year.
So cool. Boom, boom, boom.
Man, this is loud.
Oh my god, so cool. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god.
It's literally just over this field. If you walk over the field over there, that's where the fireworks are coming from.
Yeah.
So awesome, guys.
Yes. See that? From there. And the guy I'm putting this is at tier 1 at this house.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's cool.
Oh my goodness, this is awesome.
Yeah, that's also awesome. But the first one is more awesome. Boom, boom. Oh my god, I think this fireworks will at least long for 3 minutes. Oh my god, that scared me a bit. Oh my god. Yeah. Whoa!
Oh, that literally scared me.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm afraid of is that the cops are gonna come because it's
Yeah.
too loud. But I think they know it's Chinese New Year celebration. So I think that's the end. Thanks guys so much for watching. Don't show my face.
Okay, so show Crazy Killer. And thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe us and check out our other videos. I wish you guys all a happy Chinese
New Year!